Stop. My hair's all messed up now. Flying everywhere.
Oh, there we go. Oh, shit. Y'all can go too.
Okay, don't run.
I'm walking.
Go. No, one more time, one more time. No, that was an outtake. It was an outtake. You do it.
Oh, that was pretty good.
Snowboarder.
I want to get lost.
Oh, I think that's the view right there.
We're almost there.
Oh, shoot. Magical.
Oh, I thought y'all were talking about it. I was about to get one of these.
No! Wow.
Oh, dang, this is a crazy waterfall. What's going on, guys? Here we are again on another hike. 2021. It's the first one of the season. We out here at Salt Creek Park. Shout outs to Oregon for hooking it up with the snow on this fine day. I got nothing else cut. Like and subscribe. Hit that follow button, the notification bell, and we'll see you next time. And we out.
Careful. Don't go too far.
If I end up on the other side and y'all don't come across.
We can't get home anyways without you.
We should all hide.
You'd be so pissed. You'd be like, hey.
This part is hella narrow.
Oh my god. It's good? Go, Laura.
It ain't even that scary.
To put his phone. Can we go behind you guys?
No. Yeah,
Just go like
you're
this?
the leader, so-
Oh, okay. You guys, we're almost there. We're like 4. We're almost there. Wow, so beautiful. What's going on, yo?
All right, everybody, thank you for following us out here at Salt Creek Falls. We'll see y'all next time.
The little kids are making. Oh no.
Bye.
See y'all next time.